I am going to set up my virtual office. It is time to set one up. Plus, I am going to be able to get my business phone with my virtual office as well. Hey, financially free fam. So let's see how this works. So here I am on the Alliance Virtual Offices homepage. I'm going to type in Dallas, Texas. And so although I have moved to Washington, D.C., my home base for my business is still going to be Dallas, Texas. So here are a list of options I have for virtual offices. We have the Cedar Springs Office Center on Cedar Springs Road. 1 month free plus 1 day pass. So obviously anything free or discounted, my eyes are going to be drawn to that, and it seems like it's a good price. One thing that I do want to call out is that Alliance Virtual is running a promo for the month of August. So save up to $60 on a virtual office. The way that we can get this promo is that if the virtual office is $60 or more, then you can get $60 off on the one-time setup fee. So that means you're going to pay $90 instead of $150, and this is a one-time deal. Or buy a US virtual office under $60 and get $30 off the one-time setup fee. Use code August30. So they are running the promo for a virtual office discount, and they have a live receptionist first month half price promo, and then a virtual phone promo. So definitely I'm going to write down right now these two codes. So I'm thinking about using August 30 because I am okay choosing a virtual office under 50, and I'm thinking about writing down the promo VPOG as well. And so let's see if I can enter in two promo codes. Let's see if we can make this work. And it definitely does help my channel. I want you all to know that I do have linked in the description below a affiliate link, and so it would mean a great deal if you clicked on that link and you were able to set up your virtual business. Here we have $50 a month. It looks like there's another one that's priced a bit more, one free month, but it's $79 a month. So since I don't personally live in Dallas, Texas right now, I'm not focused too much on the location. So we have a $50 a month option, we have $79 a month, $49 a month, $65, $63. Okay, so roughly most of these are in the $55, $60 a month range. I'm just gonna go right now with the Cedar Springs office. 1 month free plus 1 day pass. It seems like I'm getting the most bang for my buck. And mind you, these are some add-ons that I can get. So virtual phone and business number, live receptionist, frequent mail forwarding, and private meeting rooms and offices. What's included with the virtual office already is the recognized business address, the mail processing and pickup, the front lobby receptionist, and the business center services. So I'm going to click on Cedar Springs Office Center. And so once I choose a virtual office, because my LLC is already formed, I'm going to have to update my official business paperwork so that they do have the correct and updated address on file. Because again, right now I'm trying to build business credit, and I realize is that I really need a professional business address for my business in order for vendors, lenders, and banks to take me seriously. And so here we have the 1 free month as well as a 1 free day pass. And so here we have the options: Platinum plan, which is just virtual office; Platinum with live receptionist; Platinum Plus includes meeting rooms; and then the Platinum Plus with live receptionist, virtual office, meeting rooms, and live receptionist. Again, not gonna be there, so I don't need to be worried about the meeting room hours. So I'm just gonna click the Platinum plan as of right now. So I'm gonna add it to the cart, and then it says customize mail forwarding. I will probably click on a monthly mail forwarding here because one of my business partners pays me with checks, and I need to be able to cash in those checks. Now I need to enter in my basic information. So I also want to set up a business phone number. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to virtual phone, and then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to see the features. So it looks like with the virtual phone, the benefits include dedicated business number. I can have unlimited extensions. They will also list my business number with the 411 directory. I can take calls anywhere, and it says it's more than just a number. So I'm going to include get a number. So the live receptionist package / phone package is $30 a month, and I want to make sure that I add that. All right, now we need a customized phone number, so I'm going to include the city. So now I'm going to do a lookup in Dallas to see if I can get the area code. I'm going to try out 469. There is a couple of options. There's 214 as well as some other area codes for Dallas, but let's try out 469. I'm going to try to look for a number that has some repeating digits. Let's see if I can find one. Ooh, 469-998-2322. I like this one right here. Are there any numbers? Ooh, 469-949-7075. I do like that one. So here is my cart. It breaks down what the monthly recurring total will be, and that's $90. This will include my virtual office, mail forwarding, as well as my business phone number. So here's a breakdown of the total cost. Again, $50 for virtual office, $10 for mail forwarding, and $150 for the one-time setup for a total of $210. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm more than happy to walk you through what I decided to add to my cart and why, but I'm so excited to have an official virtual business office as well as an official business phone number. This is a huge step for making sure that my business is more legit in the eyes of lenders, vendors, and banks. And so the promo that I just added, VPAUG, actually worked. And so now my total is $175. And after this, I'll be paying $90 on a recurring monthly basis. And now after I check out everything, I'll have my virtual office as well as my business phone number, which is super exciting. I cannot wait to see you next time. Peace, stay building, bye.